Chainsaw Man. Bakama, why the heck am I shorter than you? I don't know, maybe because I'm a demon. I don't know why I haven't killed you yet though. Cause I made a promise with you. Oh yeah, true. Anyways, why did you want me to come here anyway? I didn't order you to. You ordered me to. I did not. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Both of you idiots are fools. Wait a second. The Go-Go Company has nothing in it. It also, Katana Man now has control over zombies. Katana Man. Katana who? Man, look behind you, god dang it. I don't see nothing. Down here. Why are you crouching? I'm literally katanas. My body's made out of katanas, and I'm a devil from a different overworld. Both of you, fight. Zombies attacking. Brains. 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 My sharp teeth ain't gonna wait. Because I have to make a chainsaw man that actually can work, because the one I have right now doesn't really work. I have to make one. Actually, I know. I'm gonna show you guys right quick. Can it work, please? Chainsaw Man, arise. There you go. See, it doesn't work. It just... See, he gets hurt in the process. So I gotta make one. BRB. I'm Chainsaw Man. Oh my brain. Shut up, right? And why do you like Brain so much? Die. Wait, he's not immortal. Gotta become immortal. Bro, turn to me. Just slaughter you. I'm gonna slaughter you. Oh, what did I do? Next. Let's go, you dummy. I said... Go! My back is not my back. We can't go, broski. Oh! I'm a devil. I will kill every single one of your pieces. What did I do? I really am a devil. I split two people in half just... Oh my gosh. You didn't kill me yet, man. Shut the heck up for actually just do it. Katana Man. Ready to get sliced up. Ready. I gotta make another. I just killed all of your strongest members. Now face it. You're just so weak. Can't even fight, bro. You're just like Carson. Give up. It's over for you. Go fight him. It's a dead corpse. It can't even play One Punch Man. I hate One Punch Man. Get out of here! I'ma kick you with your shoe. Shut the heck up. My shoes in a part of my body, so it won't matter if you do. Wait a second, I doesn't matter if it's not part of your body. I'm gonna kill you, man. Shut the heck up. Shut the front door. Get over here. I'm losing track of you. Good, I want you to. Meanwhile, I'm gonna beat my chin because of stupid lid. I swear to God, I'm about to unsubscribe to Serenity Gang. When LD in the knees, because why not, bro? I swear to freaking God, I'm going crazy. Sick inside the halls. I swear to freaking walls. Finally got that first. Not my wife. My wife who won it. What the heck? Oh my God! Who are you people? What are you two things? Oh my God! I have to run out of here before it's too late. Get yourself out of here. Yeah, right between the legs. Bitch, shut the heck up or I'll kick you. Don't make me do it. Yeah. Stabby wabby! No, it's wearing off! Stop it! It's over for you. Wait, it's actually made out of metal. No. Why are we wearing off already? Get over here, stabby wabby. Hey guys, I gotta go see something real quick. Why did this part fall off? Maybe I sliced it off on accident. I don't know though. Or maybe his katanas are so strong they can just take it off. I'm gonna kick you in your face! Dragon Ball Z character! Man, shut the heck up! Whoa! That's it. I'm coming back down. I'm coming down hot at full throttle. Oh, yeah, right there. Get off me. I'm gonna tag you. Get down. Wish I gotta make him sit down real quick. Dang it. Can you sit down, please? Thank you. Whoa! Ow, my back. Ha ha ha. I gotta respawn Katana Man real quick because. Yeah, I just have to respawn him. Also, Katana Man got defeated in the most dumbest way ever. Like, how do you get defeated from somebody having a foot? For somebody having the same weapon on their head and arms on their foot, bro? No. Just face it. Okay, just face it. Just face it. I was not immortal. I didn't make him immortal yet. Katana Man. I'm like upside down, forward upside down. A Hellcat is in my band. Swear I can. Like I was saying, just face it, Chainsaw Man. You're weak. You should be called Chainsaw Beanhead. Is he dead? Because none of his chainsaws are moving. That's what you get for calling my mom. That's what you get. Oi. Excuse me, homie? Oi. Oi. One second, I gotta respawn him one last time, okay? Stop saying oi. Oi, oi. Stop saying oi, oi, oi. Oi. No, I gotta add. My jawline is still sharp. Ouch, my jawline sharp. My jawline so sharp. It sliced my finger almost too. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 what? I always come back. Ah! Man, what the heck is wrong with you? You missed your shot. I might have missed my shot. Did I miss a shot from Makima, though? Excuse me, what type of shot? Like a shot of trying to date her? No. A shot of trying to kill you. Die! Oh! This isn't fair. You have chainsaws. It wasn't fair when I was the one dying. I always come. Stupid snot. Get out of here. Huh. Take that, nerd. And what was that when you said you thought I was dead? Oh yeah, that's correct. You can't even speak no more because of how much I destroyed your mouth. Ah, finally see again. Whoa. In chainsaw mode, everything is really blurry. I did all of this. Hey, look what we have here. Can I stab myself with it? Makima and the other agents are gonna be so happy on what I bring back. Come on, you big fella. I guess I can just bring this part back. There's no use of bringing the others. There's no use of bringing the others for real. They only want the heads for real. Anywho, give me this. Ooh, almost the rest of his body is here. Well, I don't think that's gonna affect me, so I'm gonna walk the heck out of here. And I'm just gonna super jump. Super jump! Oh, hello, fool. Did I just witness a murder?